Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch characters during a fight in Mortal Kombat. First of all, launch open Mortal Kombat game on your device, and once you're inside the game, from the home page go ahead and select a multiplayer game. You will not be able to switch characters in 1 versus 1 fights, so make sure to select multiplayer mode. I'm gonna choose this first one over here at the very top. After selecting a multiplayer mode, go ahead and choose the battle type on the next page. Once you select your battle type, go ahead and tap on the fight button at the bottom right corner to start a fight. You can also edit your team or load your presets if available. And once you are ready, click on fight, and on the next page, you'll be starting your fight. Now, while you are in the fight, in order to switch character, go ahead and tap on the character options at the top left. Choose any character you want to switch to, and you'll be able to change the character right inside your fight. So that is how you can easily change your character. You can do this anytime you want. Simply tap on the character and you'll be able to change them. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.